Well, if ever you needed a reason to come visit here in Paris at Christmas time, and this is just like inside of it's just a shopping mall, Lafayette Gallery. Like, not bad. Rainy-ish kind of day, but we finished training kind of early. There's kind of a last-minute train, well, there is a last-minute train. About to book the ticket when I get there. Hopefully there is one. This is kind of like the behind-the-scenes stuff in the vlog I don't really show. Rushing to the train station, eating some oatmeal, and hoping that I can catch this last-minute train. Okay, and finally here in Paris. Just trying to find my hostel, and just must say to some people, if you arrive in Paris, I'm not speaking bad about the North Paris station, but if you can arrive at another train station, you'll feel more welcomed in Paris. I'll leave it at that. Oh, and apparently if you guys do come here and stay in St. Christopher's Hostel, which is a hostel I recommend to you guys, it's really nice. Just remember there's 2 of them here in Paris. Don't book the wrong one, or else it's a 20-minute walk in the cold afternoon here in Paris. But okay, get to see the little city a little bit more. Definitely places I wouldn't be walking normally. I've been using this GoPro Hero 7 Black this whole entire beginning part. I must say this camera really is amazing. I must say, like, for a side camera, I think it might be one of the perfect side cameras, because in a place like this in Paris where this isn't the most, let's say, the most safest looking place. I mean, for me, I feel fine, but I think about you guys who are traveling and stuff like that. You wouldn't want to be walking around with a big camera or something like that, so you could always put it away and use this little one. No one really even sees it. I mean, it literally looks like I'm talking to my hand if you were to look at this. So GoPro Hero 7, I still think is a side camera. I'll do a review on it, like I say, but just saying, this camera is a thumbs up for me, and I'm still a little bit lost trying to find my St. Christopher's House, the one I tell you guys about all the time. It's always approved, perfect. Okay, so technically when I got there, their cash machine is not working. It's gonna take 15-20 minutes for the machine to start working again, so I'm checking in later because I realized that nothing is more valuable than your time, and here in Paris, something special, something amazing is happening right now. That is the sun. Oh my goodness. There is the sun in Paris. This is not normal, guys. I'm trying to tell you. I'm not lying. I'm not lying. There's normally never the sun. Never. Man, sat there watching the sunset. Kat, if you're watching this, thank you for the amazing conversation. Now right now I gotta find a metro and try to make my way over to the center. Now just getting here to the metro in Paris. Not saying I hate the metros, but it's funny because everyone always says I'm really big and tall. And I always feel normal. I don't ever really feel super huge and big until I'm like in a crowd of people and everyone's like bumping into like my shoulder or elbow or something like that. But heading to where I have to go today, which is, need to come here and get some books actually. Just to kind of look at some books in English. It's so funny when you don't live in your own country and you're in a place where people don't speak your language. You take for granted all those things that you can get in a country where they speak your language, and anytime you can find a store or people that speak your language, you gotta hang out there. So books now. They didn't have anything I was necessarily looking for, and some people were asking me as well, like, what books am I reading right now? I really like self-help communication kind of books, and that's what I was looking for here, but they don't have any. But it's okay. Guess I'll stay and try to find something, and we'll spin to whatever's next. Paris, Christmas time, definitely impressive. Okay, so I'm like editing this video like literally right now, and as I'm editing, because it was filmed probably almost a week ago, because I wasn't feeling well and had a lot of stuff come up, as you guys know, and as I'm editing this and looking through it, I struggling to find the story or the narrative or the lesson learned, or I have no idea. I don't know. This is exactly the kind of things that I'm always helping people out with and telling people about when you feel like something's not good enough, or you don't want to release it, or you feel like it's not up to your standards. And I always believe in situations like that is times when you should, because sometimes it's not your best work that the most people like. And it's usually never that way. It's always the thing that you didn't think would help anyone, that you didn't think would impact anyone, that ended up helping sometimes the most people. So for me, it's always about when you have something to put it out there, get it out there for the world to see. I'm always using myself as an example, and especially on a video like this where I struggle to find the story and I'm like, oh, I just need to throw this away, even though I've worked hours on this. But at the same time, I feel like there's some kind of lesson to be learned there. If anything, it's maybe think twice before going to the Le Paris Gare du Nord. This is like the North Station in Paris. It's not the most pretty scene when you leave there. They're doing work to fix it up, but it's not ready yet. But definitely come to Europe, come to see Paris around Christmas time. It's beautiful, not during the holidays, although it is cold outside. And I think that's kind of it. Gonna stop talking because I'm just trying to ramble on and on, but just wanted to know, seriously guys, I really appreciate you guys, appreciate your support. Maybe in the next couple of days have some videos coming up. I'm kind of going through my SD cards, trying to clear them all out, and I realize there's things that I haven't posted, so maybe see some videos from the past, or I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it yet, but definitely going to start putting those out there if I do find enough to put together a video. On a second note, have some postcards to give away. Some people were saying I haven't given away postcards in a while, so here you go. Gonna give away 4 postcards before the holidays. All you gotta do, this is always the hard part. First thing, let me know where you're from. Second thing, what's what's one little happy piece of advice you could give to people during this crazy Christmas time that could make people feel less stressed and make them feel happy? It can be a quote, it can be a thought, it can be anything. Leave it down below. I'll choose 4 of you, send you guys postcards, try to get it to you guys before Christmas. And I think that's kind of it. I'll finish this video, then I gotta hit the training. I'm running a little bit late, but want to wish you guys a great day, beautiful day. Hope the sun is out where you guys are, and I'll speak to all of you later. And everyone, always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile. Ciao.